Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this delicious butter cookies. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Betuka and you're welcome to my channel today. Roughly cream together sugar and butter for a minute. Do check the description box for the ingredients measurements. You can decide to add more sugar to your own recipe, as this recipe is not overly sweet, but if you're a sweet tooth person, you can decide to go extra by adding more sugar, and this is also going to caramelize your cookies more as compared to mine. Mine didn't have that brownish color that I wanted because I use lesser sugar. But if you want yours to be very sweet, add more sugar. But if you want yours not to be overly sweet, you can go along and follow the right measurements that I put in the description box below. Do not forget to scrape the bottom and side of the bowl so that all the ingredients can mix well. Add in 2 egg yolks. You don't need any instrument to make these cookies. It is very easy and very yummy, so delicious and so buttery. Just follow this simple step. Oh my goodness, you'll be wowed with the outcome. Very yummy, very tasty, and very nice. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And for all those that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. God bless you. Lots of kisses from me to you. Sieve in all-purpose flour. Mix together properly until everything is well combined. Add in vanilla extract, milk, and a pinch of salt. Mix into the batter properly to combine well. The cookies dough is ready. This is so easy to make. So the next thing we want to do is to pipe this. So I'm using a piping bag to do the piping of the cookies. I'm just using a nozzle. This is 1M nozzle. That's Wilton 1M nozzle. This is just to make the cookies finer. You can decide to use a scoop to scoop out your cookies, but this is the way I want to do my cookies. So today I'm not going to talk so much, so just watch and enjoy. If you have any question, please go to the comment section and drop your questions. I will definitely respond to each questions that you have for me. Thank you. So I've just lined my baking sheet with parchment paper and I'm piping this into my baking sheet. This is just a rosette. You can decide to go with any design of your choice, or you can decide to make it bigger, smaller, whichever. But whatever you're doing, make sure you give space in between each cookie dough, because the dough is going to rise a bit, so you don't want to cluster everything together. Make sure you give space in between this. Bake in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. This bakes so fast, it's so buttery, so tasty, so yummy. You're gonna enjoy it, very easy. So if you have children, this is one treat they're going to love. It's very easy to make. Like you can see, no instruments needed, just your wicks and your spatula and you're good to go. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. I will see you on the other flip side. Thanks for watching. Lots of kisses.